Today I'm going to show you how to set up your reflex car top selector for your hoistway. Prerequisites for this setup are having your reflex mounted and wired on the car top, having your terminal limits mounted and wired in the hoistway, and having your elevator car running on either construction mode or temporary mode. Let's get started. Enter the initial setup menu by pressing the menu button and entering the initial setup. It's going to then ask you if you're on inspection. If you're not on inspection, you should be. And once there, enter yes. Next, we're going to enter our car's speed in the up and down direction. For this one, I'm going to set the up speed to 125 foot per minute and the down speed to 110 foot per minute. Next, we're going to be prompted to enter the amount of floors or stops your elevator has. This one has 3. It's going to then ask you if you're at the down terminal limit. If you're not, please proceed to the down terminal limit, and when there, enter yes. It'll then ask you to go to the first landing or floor. Once you're there, tell it yes. It's going to ask you if the car is level. You're able to compensate if you're above or below the floor height. For this one, I will show you for an example. I'm going to put in a negative number telling it the car is a 1/4 inch below floor height. It'll then ask you your opening orientation. The options are front, rear, or both. For this one, I'm going to enter front. And then it's going to ask you to proceed to the second landing or floor. Again, once you're there, tell it yes. And it'll ask you if the car is level. Again, for demonstration purposes, I'm going to show you that this one is a 1/4 inch high by putting in a positive number. Again, it'll ask you the opening orientation. This one I'm going to put in rear. And then proceed to the third landing. Once at the landing, tell it yes. Again, it'll ask you if the car is level. This time I'm going to tell it the car is level. And again, the opening orientation. This one I'm going to put in both. And then we're going to go to the up terminal limit. If your car has more than 3 floors, you would proceed and set up those remaining floors and then go to the terminal limit. Once you're at the terminal limit, tell it yes. It'll ask if your car has serial communication or not. If you have a VHC 102 controller, you should have serial communication, and select yes. It'll then save the setup. Your hoistway is now set up and ready to run.